Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and this is my sister you might see here, and Kahila's in the trunk back there. Anyway, so obviously you can tell from the title, this is going to be me telling you guys all the plans I have for the month of September, which is today. And before I get into it, my plans for September, like the new plans, that was not what I was supposed to be doing. I planned for September in August, so I had all of my August videos planned, and then after I planned my August videos, I planned my September videos right after that. So I was like, boom, I have August, and then boom, I have September. And then I even planned like a few videos in October. Like I was boom, 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 bam, on it. I was on it. Wow, I said it.
Wow, okay.
But that didn't work out because
Plans change and people change.
Plans change and people change. And I was supposed to finish my sweater number 15. That didn't happen because I had to make my Beyonce, training. I had training for our business, and that took an entire week of knitting on my sweater number 15, because if we didn't have that 1 week training, and it was like 9 hours every day. So there's no way I was gonna get any work done unless I stayed up, which I wasn't gonna do. So that entire week I didn't knit. I think I knitted like one round that entire week because we were just busy in meetings, busy training, all that stuff. So I couldn't get any work done. So that is what messed up my schedule, because I would have had the entire week to finish my sweater number 15, and then I could have boom finished that, and then like start on my Beyonce concert outfit right after that, and then I would have been on track. But that messed it up. So I'm still working on my sweater number 15, and I had to stop knitting on my sweater number 15 to knit on my Beyonce concert outfit. And yeah, it got crazy because of that 1 week I missed. That messed up everything. So I had to like rearrange my entire calendar and like figure out what I was gonna do, because my entire September, this is a surprise, but it's not a surprise anymore because I'm getting ready to tell you guys, I'm going to be designing and knitting and making a pattern of a knit cable cardigan. So that was what my month of September was about to like look like. So I would have had like 4 videos maybe, and then I would work on the back panel, then side panels and sleeves, and then like just show you guys the process and everything with designing it, because I've never doing the sweater number 15 was my first time doing cables. And I did the sweater number 15 because I wanted to design a cable cardigan, and one of the twins, I don't know which one, suggested that I should, Kalila suggested that I should knit sweater number 15 so I know how to do cables before.
No, I thought you were gonna talk about the cable cardigan.
Oh, it was Kahila. She's lying! Anyway, so it was Kahila who said I should knit the sweater number 15 before I try to design and knit a cable cardigan, just so I know how to do cables. And I'm glad she said that, because I know how to do cables like a pro. So that was gonna be my plan. I was just gonna focus on designing and knitting that cardigan all of September, but that's not what's gonna happen at all. So that is like shifted to like November maybe, because I just did my calendar yesterday. So I did all of my September videos, which I'm gonna talk about after this, and then I already have all my videos for, not all my videos for October, but I think I just need to add like 2 more videos. So I already planned for October. Hopefully that is what will happen, and like I just need to get on it. But I'm not gonna have that week of training anymore, so we're good. So that I was going to be knitting on that cardigan all of this month. It was gonna be a nice chill month. I didn't have to worry about anything, just it would have been nice, but that's not what's gonna happen. So what will be happening this month is, obviously this video is out because you guys are watching it right now, and then for the rest of the month I'm just gonna go through what I plan to do, and hopefully that is what I'm going to do because it's on my calendar to do, so it's like I have no choice but to do it anyway. So in this month I'm actually going to be showing you guys everything I knitted in 2023 so far. I know you guys enjoy those videos because when I posted my crochet one I did in 2021, that went crazy. People loved it, and I knitted so much that I had to do that in 2 parts, which was crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, you say you knitted so much.
I crocheted. I feel like I said crochet. And I knitted so much. I crocheted so much that I had to do it in 2 parts, which was crazy. This time it won't be 2 parts because I don't think I've knitted a lot in 2023 because I've been reading and just taking my time and not going crazy with knitting, but I did do a lot of freehand stuff, so. Nah, I'm still gonna make it one video. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have to literally hunt down all of my pieces, but luckily I have most of them in like this bucket, and I just, every time I finish a project after I take pictures, I just dump it in that bucket so that if I need to like take pictures again, or if I need to do videos on it again, I know I could just yeet it from that bucket and I'm good. But I do have a few like scattered around the house that I might need to hunt down, and we'll just see when the time comes. But I do have it basically in one area, so I'm good. I'm actually excited to film that because I kind of forgot everything I've knitted so far. It's literally September, and I just realized that it's only been 2 years since we've all been knitting. We started in 2021.
Yeah.
And I was doing the math, and well, there's not much math to do. But I was like, oh my god, like we're still new to knitting. It was crazy. Anyway, so that's gonna be one video. That's probably gonna be the next video after this one because I want to get that over with. Because the next video, I have my notes here, so I'm not trying to remember all that. The next video that I'm going to post, upload, whatever, the next video I'll have for this month will be crocheting.
What? She's flabbergasted.
Yes, you heard me. I'm gonna be crocheting. I'm going to make a video of me crocheting an outfit, like designing and crocheting an outfit for the first time in a year, because that's how long it's been since I've crocheted an outfit. Like I've crocheted the messenger bags and I've crocheted like straps for my knit dresses and stuff like that, but I haven't crocheted an outfit in a year. And I thought it's been longer than that, but it's just been since last year.
Seems like it's been short.
And I feel like it's been like 2 years since I've crocheted because I like forgot everything about crocheting. And like I was talking to Crochet with my dad, and I was like, yeah, it's easy to write a pattern, you just like cast on. And I was like, that's not crochet, that's knitting. And I was like, you chain, like I had to remember like it's chain is not crochet, and then you don't knit in stockinette, you like half double crochet or whatever stitch you're doing. Like I have to get adjusted to it for sure. But after talking to my dad, that's when I realized that or thought about it, and I was like, oh, you're ugly.
Nice.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I can do a video of me designing and crocheting an outfit for the first time in a year. That's gonna be crazy, but I'm excited because I haven't crocheted in so long. I don't even know where to find hooks and stuff. It's called hooks, right? Yeah. So that's gonna be fun and interesting, and I'm excited. I need to figure out like what I'm gonna do. It is fall. I mean, I could, no, I don't even know what I'm planning. I'll plan that in that video. So that's gonna be the next one after I film that video of everything I've knitted so far in 2023.
Oh, honey, air.
Okay, so I do want to try to finish this sweater number 15, but I do not think I'll be able to finish it this month. Like, I'm not doing a lot, but it's not like a stockinette sweater where I can just mindlessly knit and just knit everywhere with it. Like, I have to do cables, and then I have to do, like, it's not just stockinette, it's like knitting for a section and purling and knitting and then purling and then the cable, and so it's like I have to like pay attention. So it's not a project I can just take anywhere and just knit it. I can try to, so I can get it over with, because I do want to wear it somewhere, but then after the body I have to do this. Like, I'm on a body and I'm like this much into the body. I'm barely into the body, so I mean, I can't like stay up and do it. I don't know. So we'll see. Let's bookmark that. Finishing the put a pin in it. We can, that's just maybe finishing the sweater number 15. And the sweater number 15 pattern, it's so easy. Like, out of 5, I would rate it a 2. And I would rate it a 2 only because you have to pay attention when decreasing, because it's not the same. I butchered like my decreases with my cable. You can't tell, but like when I went to other people's sweaters, I was like, that's how it's supposed to look. But it doesn't matter, like, I don't care, but you have to pay attention. And even when I realized I had to pay attention, I still butchered it after it because I forgot that I needed to pay attention. So, but it's easy, and that's coming from me. I don't knit on stuff like this. I try to stick to stock. I try to make sure that my patterns don't even have German short rows in it, and that's coming from me. It's easy. Sweater number 15, easy. By who?
My Favorite Things Knitwear.
My Favorite Things Knitwear. Anyway, so maybe I can finish that sweater. We'll see. I don't know, because there's so much to do, because I'm gonna, like, later on I want to knit the Salty Days sweater by Kutafakika, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I want to knit yoga pants to match that. I think I want to do like a beige color with that. And then I need to finish my Lyon sweater that I started in Sweden. I'm like on the same part on the body as with like my,
get it out.
I'm trying.
Sweater number 15.
My sweater number 15 progress is the same progress as my Lyon sweater, which is terrible because I started my Lyon sweater in, when did we go to Sweden?
June.
In June. Damn. Yeah. I definitely need to get that done. Not this month.
Definitely.
This is just me like throwing stuff out there and just telling you guys what I might be up to basically in the next couple months. So let's just forget about September. I mean, no, let's not forget about it. Just forget about it right now. And then I want to knit a marble sweater using my cloud yarn that I got from Sweden last year. And so I want to do something with that, and I think I'm gonna do the marble sweater with that. So that's that. So back to September. After I crochet an outfit for the first time in a year, I want to knit a chunky sweater. I want to see if I can knit a chunky sweater in 24 hours. Which might be easy, but I'm knitting one right now and it took me 24 hours to knit the back panel.
So you've been distracted.
But and it hasn't been like an entire 24 hours, you know? Like it's been like maybe 8 hours, but like it seems like 24 because it's like, anyway. So it's a challenge. I don't know if I want to stay up for 24 hours or do like I start at 9.
Let's try to stay up for 24 hours. When was the last time we did it, huh?
I don't know. We have to go back to our videos.
I know.
Because we said we'll try to do it like every 3 months or something.
The last time we did a 24-hour one was when we slept and then finished the next day, so it was definitely before Sweden, so
for sure.
Yeah, and we didn't do the whole staying up. So definitely past 3 months, so it's over.
Dang, so maybe
I can make a video out of it too.
True. So I guess we'll stay up for 24 hours.
And then I can film a TikTok.
For
real. I'm like, I stayed there for 24 hours to design a sweater.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so I guess I'll stay up for 24 hours trying to knit a chunky sweater, which essentially should be easy since we're gonna be staying up now. I just try not to get distracted. It's super easy to get distracted. Anyway, and then after that, it's just gonna be a random vlog. So we're gonna have to go somewhere. I don't want it to be a vlog in a house, so.
Okay. We're going out for our birthday anyway, so.
Yeah, I guess it can be like a combination of all those days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, perfect. Because we're gonna be going to our friend's house for the twins' birthday. And so I guess I'll just have, basically it'll be like a month vlog at the end of the month, like everything I did in that month, which is perfect. Perfect. So I'll have that, basically the twins' birthday vlog in for the last video of this month, and that's it. I can tell you guys about October, but I'm literally gonna have an October video, so I'm not gonna spoil it. So that's it. That's all of my plans for the month of September. I would show you guys everything I like knitted last month, but since I'm literally gonna be filming and everything I've knitted in 2023 video after this one, I might as well just show that in that video rather than this video, because you're gonna see it in the next video.
Yeah.
Anyway, that is all for this video. I just wanted this to be a super quick video of just me telling you guys what I'm gonna be doing, what I'm planning on doing, whether it's in September or not, because projects are projects, plans are plans. So, but that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!